So I think what we're really trying to do is give high school students an opportunity to experience college in an immersive but supported way.
When he began the Georgetown class, it was so different, the energy in our house.
One thing that really surprised me with this entire experience going online with it is just how engaging and interactive the professors and teachers made it to be.
You get to hear from really expert faculty, nationally known folks, people who are thought leaders in their area.
I really think that level of expertise from people in those specialized fields gives the students an added advantage and perspective.
So you're in a real college class with college students, college faculty. It's just college, but you have this extra support. You've got a little bit of extra guidance, so you're really able to grow as a person and become a bit more confident in your own abilities.
The positives were actually being able to hear part of it as I was walking by his room, or hear the excitement, or hear some of the conversation.
I fell in love with the program. I got to meet so many amazing people from all around the country.
It's not just lectures and tests. It's really about experiences.
And sometimes students form friendships and networks that last all through college and beyond.